Yeah.
Hi, this is Bruce, New America Construction. This is the garage of the home, and same thing here. We're going to remove all of the existing siding. The garage is already insulated.
I'm here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction service?
Checks this level and secure the window. Fasten it. This one just comes with screws.
Here we are with the installation of vinyl cedar shake siding. As you notice, everything has to be.
I think the way we turned out this window here. You want to install the starter strip by nailing, placing the nails about every 16 inches. So here goes the saw. Make sure.
Some type of architectural art like this. See, so much can be done with vinyl siding. You just need the right